Obi asende me video bi na video no eno na eda o screen so sisi a mema a short description na trese yakwa kohwe video no na yehwe a na yaba betwetwe nkomo na nansen ya Prophet Nigel Gacy just in this year na said one church service, I think it was prophetic hour and na wo shem kom e wo na sorry dem and o shem kom say 2 weeks time, in 2 weeks time no Ghana yenhwe yi na Cape Coast kwan ne so accident bi ebesi ewo ho na accident no wono wo hu se nkrofo be 24 efrim na etiefo yanko enko hwe saa eye video na Prophet Nigel Gacy wakasa efa this particular accident no because any name say anopa we ya me breaking news no tremo say accident si ewo Dompoase junction na Dompoase junction nso no ewo Cape Coast kwan ne so inti no yenko na yengo hwe na yekohwe prophecy ni wi a na yaba abetwetwe nkomo afa this particular prophecy ho.
Fatal accident on the road of Cape Coast.
My God, Jesus.
Last week, Mission come out Facebook. Me that's a accident. Linda door over weekend no. Linda don't go for be brave. Say see am no mo kase. Me wo say many a beer to Cape Coast crash. From now to 2 weeks, there will be about 24 people dead.
My God.
On the road of Cape Coast. But if you are going there, if you pass, I secure you.
Yes, Lord.
If your relatives, I secure them.
Yes, Lord.
Road that Bonsambe no moja baby also a Cape Coast road.
My God.
But we release the fire of
Yes,
God.
yes, Lord.
We release the angels of God.
Yes, Lord.
I'll deal with it. Say, I'll deal with it.
Deal with it.
Fatal accident on the road of Cape Coast.
My God, Jesus.
Last week, Mission come out Facebook. Me that's a accident. Linda door over weekend no. Linda don't go for be brave. Say see am no mo kase. Me wo say many a beer to Cape Coast crash. From now to 2 weeks, there will be about 24 people dead.
My God.
On the road of Cape Coast. But if you are going there, if you pass, I secure you.
Yes, Lord.
If your relatives, I secure them.
Yes, Lord.
Road that Bonsambe no moja baby also a Cape Coast road.
My God.
But we release the fire of
Yes,
God.
yes, Lord.
We release the angels of God.
Yes, Lord.
I'll deal with it. Say, I'll deal with it.
Deal with it.
Now say yenia yahwe prophecy no na I can assure you say accident na esi ye ewo Cape Coast no. It happened, I think, yesterday. Now, this particular video and this particular thing, Prophet Nigel Gacy, what can I want sorry no? What can I think it's the last week or the last 2 weeks? I want sorry them. I don't know what you are going to say, but watching this video, no, I just want to know your thoughts. Do you believe in prophecy? If Abia one minimum saying in Gofu Bibri Waha, say prophets no eba bonting eba share income no. Na chese Ghana phone na ye bomu echi. Now let me give you a story. Madam Fubi one also your prophet. Story be our catch me. Last na me ne twetwe nkomo and I'm trying to say just like what some Ghanaians say and most Ghanaians say Ghana edifo de yehu ade pabia and the day bia we yewu eno nkwa ne yehu ade na Ghana edifo de day bia owo nkwa and atese yehu. Inti I was saying the same thing to Madam for now your prophet no. Ena wo ma me video bi se menhwe na video no some American pastor bi just say abroche pastor bi a say wagide. I don't know whether it was Benin Hinn or say then abroche pastor bi a wagidin pa wo broni pastor osofo ena wagidin na wo broni sofo no na wo hye nkom e wo na sorry dem na wo hwe nkom hye na wo hye wo frɛ broni bi ba enima no wo hye nkom se broni no wo bediye wo frɛ broni bi ba enima na wo hye nkom se broni no wo bediye wo frɛ broni bi tese mbrofofo a wo frɛ omo eba enim ho a wo hye omo nkom ni nina no wo hye omo nkom se wo mo bediye ena ofrɛ bibini bi na video no na bibini no nhye den hu se wo ye Ghana ni what ya say because ye ntrombo na nim ye na wo frɛ bibini no na wo share ne honkom na okatra bibini ne se bibini ni free Ghana na bibini ka se ane na wo katra bibini ne se ne krase ni fiefo de ni your friends and the destiny ashe kukuo bi mu na ne asase bi so ya plant bibi wo ho wo ne fie ho e ma trese eno nam so ma ekum nkrofo trese inkomhye na efa bibini ne ho bae na oja unlike mbrofofo ne de na inkomhye ni na was about something good no bibini na oye Ghana ni no wo broni pastor e wa brochi ho e hye ne ho nkom a wo ko hye ne ho nkom se ne fiefuo yesei wo mu kum nkrofo wo mu yesei inti yende so wo bre wa abrabo wa brochin so wo bre na the reason ne say ne fiefo aye ne bibi inti wo bo video ne chem na meka say ena madam fo ne chem say inti afei se mate ase se enye se Ghana edifo no ena trese wo mo ka ensembo ni o eye Ghana fo bi mu a wo ne omo efri ebusua mu wo mo ena trese wo mo tumi ana hunhunfi edo omosunti no wo ma yo ma je se wo mo beye nipa because it was a clear example osofo na wo hye nkom no wo yo broni na enye Ghana na wo hye nkom no na ya abrochire but still edu Ghana ne nkwa Ghana ni no ono nkwa so no nkomhye ni na it was something bad na so ada embrofofo na wo hye nkom efa wo mo ho no nkomhye ni na adepa nti e ho no kire me say it is our black mentality na enye say edifo no e na kire say wo mo de asanyamabo ne nkwa no mu hu eye Ghana for your black mentality intia e na de bia nkrofo eye nkrofo no because obroni ne de ya nti nkomhye ba akokra say we eye ya nti sa asem no inti wo boss a video ne kire me na make say ene em say eto de bia Ghana difo no eba abonten ebe hye nkom say we bewu accident besi a we don't actually have to bash them that much. We don't have to bash them that much. Because clearly madam for ne train me prover me ankasa me hu say we there wonya ga che say osofo ne mba Ghana da o wonim Ghana kra na so nkonhye ma wo hye Ewurade Yesu Kristo inti no me gidi say this particular video no wa wo hwe me wo beka say ene na jigezi there this be nkonhye wo hye ene bone nkwa but me just say ene fault ana ono ankasa ne pe say nkomhye bone nkwa na obeden wo be hye na asemwe meaning say some people still don't believe in things like this, things like prophecy. Me dey bia make say me a Christoni na enkomhye de eyade amigidi. Let me know your thoughts on this. Do you believe that this is just a coincidence? I mean, what can I say within 2 weeks? Just say he was very specific. Was it within 2 weeks? So within 2 weeks and an accident no AC. We no sanso edit as say sa kwan ne so ankasa. Abonsam ennum moja was sa kwan ne so pa. No kre sa dompo ase junction no. Eye baby a ye say accident a etai si e was sa junction ne so na easy. Na em say me report on that particular story anopa we no me mamoti ase say emra na me wo SHS ye ya adwen kra say ye be call excursion. Na ema schools authority na ye school authorities no one more cancel excursion because now one more can say sa Cape Coast Junction so ankasa accident AC wo hododo inti excursion one my anko inti today is not the first time asem we make a show as far back as over 5 6 7 8 years old. Like 8 years asem en America show ni inti tells you say sa junction ne so ankasa ne kre inti no this is a case study for those who don't believe in spirituality. This is a case study for those who Rebecca so we there coincidence, we there we just like Common Sense Family ne other groups no. Inti no way no omo beka the same, omo beka say a mere coincidence. Ana say minim say eye bi mo ka say asofo nankasa e na eye sa no mo akosumu ase akoye. Na wo mo kasa say asofo nankasa na eye sa no mo akosumu ase akoye no. Eye asema me bisa mo say mo ankasa mo say mo believe in prophecy, but mo believe say wo bi betumi akosumu ase akoma accident aye den esi. How is it that you believe in the bad spirit but you don't believe in a good spirit? Ye ka say ye yi tre ama obi a wo se wonji ntum. Na so woji tum say nipa ko na ka say tumi ko esumase ekoye nyankomade ema enyamabo na esi. Ewiase na eye balanced. Say you were good side of everything. Every single thing on this earth, we have the good side and the bad side. Untumi ntre me say you believe in the bad side. Say yes. Obaka say you don't believe in spirituality, but you believe say osofo nankasa na ekoye sunsume djuma ma accident this year. Eno de wugidi say osofo no na yes but wonji ndi say nyankopon betumi yi atre. Meaning say dem make na wate ase de a wonji ndi say nyankopon yi ade etre nkrofo. But wugidi say osofo nankasa betumi akosuma say akoma ade esi. How is it that you believe in the bad side of spirituality but you don't believe in the good side of spirituality? But in everything, there is the good and the bad. Untumi tell me say only the bad exists. Intino, I don't know. Moi, believe in prophecies. No, seriously, I want to hear your thoughts on this particular matter. The person met say the more can again. I'm over can for assembly. Mon share my comment box to me. Me that say.